Bread production begins with carefully selected raw ingredients.
Each ingredient is stored under controlled conditions to preserve quality.
Automated systems measure every ingredient with exact precision.
Powerful mixers transform the ingredients into uniform dough.
Fermentation allows the dough to rise and develop flavor. The dough is divided into equal portions for consistent loaves.
Each portion is shaped into its final form. Final proofing prepares the dough for baking.
High-temperature ovens bake the dough into bread. After cooling, the bread is sliced, packaged, and ready for delivery.